Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and the internet. Today with me we have Hemanth. He is the owner of Detailing Mafia, Tirupati, the proud owner of Tirupati store. It's a holy place, and it has very high significance in Hindu mythology. As you can see behind Hemanth, we have a very beautiful picture of Lord Tirupati, and this is something which has been a key aspect of how things work over there. And Detailing Mafia, and initially when Tirupati was signing the area and that store, he had this one condition to keep this as a background, and as a this picture should be there, and we readily obliged because it's such a beautiful picture by itself. And things have been going at a all blazing speed right now in Tirupati. So welcome to the discussion, Hemanth. And can you just tell our viewers about yourself?
Shaurya, hi. Thanks for the opportunity. I am basically from the IT background. I'm new to the business as well as the auto industry. Right. But for a very long time, I had an eye on the auto industry. Whenever I want to set up a business, I want to get into the auto industry, and I was basically looking for so many opportunities, exploring business opportunities everywhere. And at last I settled here. I'm so happy I did that.
Superb. So, what got you interested in the detailing industry, Hemanth?
That is a very nice question, Shaurya. Basically, after doing my research for almost a year and over a year on this business, to be very frank with you, what I could afford in my budget was a kind of this thing. Auto industry was my favorite part.
Right.
In that, I want to get into some kind of service business. So I did explore so many options, and setting up a garage and doing the services into the cars, parts, car maintaining those things is, to my knowledge, to my research, seems to be very expensive. And so I decided to go with the car wash kind of thing, automated car wash business, which also suits my budget. And then when I did the research, automated car wash was not so much of help. So I wanted to think, I was exploring the options trying to find out what are the other value-added services we can provide to the customer. And then I came across the detailing business. I was visiting so many branches in Chennai and Bangalore, and at last I came across the detailing showrooms, a couple of them in Chennai. I found the environment so attractive, so professional services they were providing was decent enough. I decided that I came back and to my place, and then started applying online for the franchisee from the Detailing Mafia.
Okay.
Since then, it's a dream come true for me.
Glad to hear that. And you're talking about Detailing Mafia, how you got to the journey of finding that brand. Can you just get into a little more detail? You must have done your research about detailing brands and all. What made you decide and finalize Detailing Mafia as a brand?
So I told I walked into a couple of premises. Right. Wherever I go, the ambience, the infrastructure, the kind of professional service they provide, it's all the same. So they have their own standards, and I could realize those things after I became a franchise owner and I got into the operations. I realized the value of standardization which you people are providing us. Right. That is something which we can, every customer, every time he walks in, we give the similar service, and every time we see the happy face and customer is happy, we are happy, so things are good this way.
So it sounds like the response of the customers and the locals are very good. Can you elaborate more on that?
See, I'll give you one basic example. Most of the times when we do even the smallest of the service what we provide is the car wash, full wash. When we provide that, most of the customers stand there and keep watching what we are doing to the car. And the kind of expression what customer gives, it's amazing. And by the feedback what we customer gives us the smile or happiness when we ask him how is the car looking, it's amazing to see that. And when we do the ceramic coating or when we apply the film, the customer expression itself is so great.
Right. So that actually
keep asking us that.
You were saying something.
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah, I was telling you the immediate question was follow-up question when we apply the ceramic coating or film is that under the lights, the focus lights, whatever ambience we have, the car will be shining like a new jelly kind of thing, polished jelly.
Right.
Only question customer is, sir, will my car look like this for whatever duration you promised me? We'll say yes. We got the baby delivered. It is up to you to carry forward. So keep it maintaining properly, and then your vehicle will be looking like this for the set duration.
Right. That's good. So sounds like that this when this happens, the customer is so happy. I think already get a sense of achievement and how satisfied. If you're saying they're satisfied with your work, how satisfied are you with your work over there, or the work that we provide you with, or let's say the services that we provide you with?
So let me answer your first question. How satisfied are you with the business? It is, in fact, pleased to say yes, we are. We are doing good financially and customer satisfaction. From how satisfied I am from working with you to answer that question. The standardization is good. The kind of feedback and then the support what you people as a detailing mafia, whatever you are providing this is excellent. Professional support. You can't expect more than this.
So just wanted to understand. You found any differences between us and other car washing and other outlets of retailing?
To be frank with you, Shaurya, initially I did, before doing the research work, I did some explore some but we didn't properly research how the competitors are doing. But only thing is when some car comes in, there's some film applied, ceramic coated, or any other service what we provide. Car which was serviced at some other competitor in Tirupati, we can feel the difference. We can feel the customer sadness and unfortunate that he did some service and he was happy. There are so many instances. And similar service when we provide to our customers, he's so proud. See, for example, the film, what paint protection film, what some customer walks in saying that we got it applied to their company. You can see so many packs. To save the film was cut into many pieces and applied it so that is kind of something which we don't know. There are customers who claim that the film becomes yellowish after a while, a year or so. We inform the customer this is our process.
Right. My last question with you is, if in case somebody is watching this video and is interested in getting a Detailing Mafia or a detailing franchisee, what would be your message to them?
To answer your questions right, we started 3 months before. I started getting so many inquiries. People are from the nearby cities. They wanted to set up their own company. They were asking our experience.
Yeah.
Every time I tell them, we are actually happy with the kind of business that we choose. and the partner we choose and the kind of service we are providing to the customer. In every way, we always confirm that it is a good thing we got into this kind of situation.
That's high praise. That's high praise.
Does this answer your question?
Yeah, that answers. That answers. So with this, I would like to conclude our discussion, and we wish you a very happy sales and a very good season which is coming now. It already has started. Good Dussehra and a good Diwali and a new year. Let's see how many more milestones we achieve here, Hemant. Right? All the best and take care. Cheers.
Thank